are you? I'm
7.
7. Like this. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Happy? Tim, are you hungry? Yes or no? Hungry?
No.
No. Are you thirsty? No. Are you sleepy?
No.
No. Are you cold?
No.
Are you hot?
No.
No. What food do you like?
I'm happy.
I like happy. What food do you like?
I like
Hmm.
pizza.
Pizza. Okay, good. What color do you like? Color. I like. What color? Pink, blue, brown?
And green.
Yellow. Oh, beautiful color. What animal do you like? Cats, dogs, and zebra, lion. What animal? Elephant. Elephant. Ooh, right? Elephant. Do you like elephant? Yes. Okay. So here, let's start our speaking test. Okay, Tim? Are you ready? Okay. Make sure you speak loudly. Okay? And sit nicely. Okay. Let's start, Tim. Look at this. Say the letter and say the word. Letter A sounds up. Letter. Okay. Okay. Kakasi. Okay. Next. Next. Good. Good job, Tim. Well done. Here, Tim. Tell me the letter and the sound. Letter A sounds up, up, and. Say the word and. Next. Cup, cup. Say the word cup. Next. Good. Next. Correct. Good job. Next. Correct again. Great job. Next. Candy is correct again. Wow, you did well. Okay, now let's move on to picture description. Here is the farm. Wow, a lot of animals. Can you tell me where is the animals that starts with letter animal starts with letter D? Animals starts. Good job. Animals starts with letter B. Bear. What else? Animal, not toy. Animal. Where is it? Pointed. Point. Where is it? Baba. Bird. Okay, point the bird here. Good job. Next. What is the animal that starts with letter C? Animal. C. Where is it? Okay, point. Yes, cat. What fruit? Fruit, okay? Starts with letter A. Fruit. 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 What is that?
Apple.
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 Apple. What's the color?
Apple.
What's the color, Tim? Color. Color. Why you don't know the color, Tim? How many apples do you see? How many apples?
Apple.
Say the word 5. Not 5, okay? 5. How many apples do you see? Good. Okay, do you like apples?
No.
No, I don't. Okay, here. Can you tell me what is it? What is it? No, I like
Fish.
Again.
Fish.
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 What's the color?
Blue.
Blue fish. What's the beginning letter? Beginning letter?
Duck.
Ah, beginning letter.
Little bee.
Beginning letter.
Little frog.
Letter F. Letter?
Frog.
Oh no, that's the sound letter F. Letter
F.
sounds
Frog.
good. Letter
Little D.
sounds
Duck.
okay. Letter
Little C.
C sounds
Little C. Sound good.
boom. Study the colors, okay? You have problem with the colors, okay? So, but aside from that, you did well. Okay, goodbye, team.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you again.